is HAZIQAH RIZAL, and metric number is F2049.
My name is BAIZURAH and my metric number is F2034.
My name is BALQIS. My metric number is F2037.
Instruction Part A. That's A. Report a problem. During a practical session, several problems occur in the computer lab. The lab technician asks the IT student to act as support technician to describe the symptom to the problem were given. Minimum 3 facts. Problem 1. Internet connection issue. Computer 12 cannot access the internet. Other computers in the lab are able to connect normally. Symptom: A. No internet access. Web page cannot load. B. Network icon show no connection or limited access. Unable to see, unable to ping or connect to other device network. Problem 2. Slow computer performance. Computer 7 is very slow when starting. The frequently freezes while running application. Symptom: A. Long startup time. Takes very long to boot. B. Application freeze or become unresponsive. C. Frequent lag or delay when opening programs. Problem 3. Printer not detect. Computer 15 cannot detect the printer connected via USB. Symptom: A. Printer not appear in the computer device list. B. Printer not on. Error message when trying to print. C. No sound or notification when the printer's USB cable is connected. Problem 4. Computer power failure. Computer 3 shut down automatically a few seconds after being powered on. Describe possible symptom. A. Computer power light turn on briefly, then goes off. B. Internal fan spin briefly, then stop. No display on screen. C. Computer emits beep codes or a brief error message before shutting down.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Karen. Today, I will present my case study for computer architecture. I focus on part B, which is the troubleshooting process. The main purpose of this case study is to show how we can identify problems and solve them in a systematic way instead of guessing. First, I will explain the standard troubleshooting process. This process is important because it helps technicians solve problems step by step and avoid making wrong decisions. Step 1 is identify the problem. In this step, we collect information and observe the symptoms carefully. This is important because if we misunderstand a problem, we may fix the wrong thing. Step 2 is establishing a theory of probable cause. Here, we think about possible cause of the problem. For example, it could be due to hardware issues, incorrect system, or network problems. This helps us narrow down the possible cause. Step 3 is testing the theory. In this step, we check each possible cause to find the real problem. This step is very important because it ensures we are solving the correct issue instead of guessing. Step 4 is implementing the solutions. After identifying the cause, we apply the correct solution. This must be done carefully to avoid creating new problems. Step 5 is verifying the system functionality. We test the system again to make sure everything is working properly. This ensures that the problem is completely solved. Finally, step 6 is documentation. We correct the problems, cause, and solutions. This is useful for future reference and help us solve similar problems faster. This diagram shows the fruit of the troubleshooting process from the beginning until the final step.
Hi, Assalamualaikum to our lecturer, Madam Haizah. My name is BALQIS.
and my metric number is F2034, and I'm going to present part C. The problem statement is, students must apply the standard troubleshooting methodology to identify the causes and suggest solutions. For problem 1, internet connection issue. The type of issue is network issue, and the possible cause is LAN cable is not properly connected, incorrect IP configuration, or network adapter issue. And testing method used is to check cable connection, use ipconfig command, test connection using pin. And the suggested solution is to reconnect LAN cable, reset IP settings, update network driver. Problem 2 is low computer performance. The type of issue is either hardware or software. The possible cause is insufficient RAM, too many startups program, or possible malware infection. Testing method used is check task manager usage, disable startup programs, or run antivirus scan. Suggested solution is upgrade RAM, reduce startup programs, and remove malware using antivirus. Problem number 3 is printer is not detected. The type of issue is hardware or software. The possible cause is USB cable is not connected, printer driver missing, or USB port problem. The testing method used is check USB cable, try different USB port, or check device manager. The suggested solution is reconnect cable, install or update printer driver, or repair USB port. The last problem, which is problem 4, is computer power failure. Type of issue is hardware. The possible cause is power supply failure, overheating issue, or loose internal components. The testing method is check power cable and PSU, monitor temperature, or inspect internal hardware. Suggested solution is replace power supply, clean cooling system, and reconnect components. That's all for part C, and that is the end of our presentation. Thank you for lending your ear and attention. Thank you.